Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, where you do? Why you so Crosses TV? Crosses TV, where you come? Crosses TV, where you follow me up for Crosses TV? Crosses TV, stop following me now. Stop following me now, Crosses TV. Where you follow me up for? Ah. Crosses TV. But that's Crosses TV. Where you follow me for? Crosses TV, you know, I love you. Big up Crosses TV in real life.
And I eat
I
after
don't
your
call. I don't
fart.
call nobody. I was just on live with Gifted this morning. I was just as surprised as she was.
Yeah, but he
Everybody
can't
else.
eat after the woman fart, can I lick out gifted body. Him forget a slap
That's
them
what go
too.
on.
Oh, I mean, I know, but you know, gifted love them something there.
That is true.
She never
That
let
is
me, say a big up. She never get a
Ah,
detail.
me know him. Gifted is a fantasy when man lost. So when they're
yeah,
with
gifted
her,
freaky.
they carry to gifted and say, oh, pee on me. Oh, eat my ass. And I'm gonna do it like, come on now, we're not dumb. We watch porn.
Me eat
Them
some.
something they keep him coming back. Lord God, Berry jump now, gifted come back.
No, let me
All
come
right,
down.
all
Let me
right.
come down.
Drop me a bit, Berry. I drop me a bit.
Let me come down.
Why
Come
Berry
background noise.
just love get to them
When I look
feet.
at I mean, I come down of course and listen and then come back.
You
What
know
is
me
it?
love you. Actually, I used to love see you.
Oh,
Trisha, she always a wine you, but she ever do it, you pick the bait.
I said, no, but enough time he used to say, "Ma, come off." I made him have to call 1 hour before we chat back.
Hey, I want thing you know want kill off gifted slowly, you know.
Jesus Christ,
Slowly.
properly. Go around this so quickly. Yo, go around this so now you
So when
from
me
live.
up on the live, my phone ring. Epic and the lady call. Oh my god, she's such a lovely lady. Man, I
It's
got
two
tell
of
her
them.
like, huh?
It's two of them.
Yeah, the two of them called me and I gave them the sauce. Come from Tivoli Gardens, but she is very humble and she's very sweet.
I come from the
She's
side when I son on
a
there.
very sweet
So,
lady. She tell me what is what and everything. Man, I got to talk about it on the live, but why, brother, sir? You're a weirdo. Man, I tell no lie. You're a fucking weirdo.
Who the man?
Yeah, I'm very weird.
And all the element. Him probably I bet she call because they want to watch you some. Them I probably swing out.
No, no, about swinger. Where you think the lady up singer? No, me did I expect she to come at me the wrong way, but it's a very lovely lady. Me can't say that about a lot of people on Instagram. She well spoke. She understanding. She's a very lovely lady. Like,
So she not
yeah.
lick him in her face.
No, she's not a violent woman. I used to
Oh,
read her wrong by her picture. She's not a violent
no, mama. So she is violent and she can beat him.
woman. Mm-mm. She just in tune. She a try get in tune with her Jesus. And I try
yes.
fast and pray. She a try be on a more positive light. She no want a man
So
where
was she?
be.
So was she gonna leave him after she hear him freak out
Them
himself
not
like that?
there. Them not there. I make it seem like them there. Them not there.
Oh,
She not them not there none at all. Me not speak of their things on live, but we have to clarify it because he might try get back in our good grace. And
but what's the way?
yeah,
You might try.
the way I might try do it like, sir, you're weird. Man, I tell no lie, brother. You are weird. Like, from a talk to her, this lady deserve better, and you is not it.
Somebody say it's a trap, gifted.
I trap for who?
Gifted, I look out her eyes. Yeah.
No. That as me said, the
So
lady
when
is a
want, so
well.
when want, he really want a relationship with you?
Listen, me not me telling you something. If a man come to a woman, I look at woman and I bring a next woman name is a turn off for me. I don't know if it's a turn on for other woman, but from you start disgusting another woman, like oh trash bag lay down and make a man fuck her after the man don't talk about more what she claim to say the man say. Me not play them game there. You can't bring no woman name to me and me happy to lay down with you. Like no.
Yeah, can remember when time you hear something depend on the life that way that you say you never like that in a life, man.
Yeah, and that turned me off.
Yeah.
Even if he did that look me, and even if me did I say, boy, I'm nice looking enough, and him start talk about the lady, my whole
Also,
vibe.
he nice looking.
He not ugly, but when he
But
start talk
but
about the lady,
Momo say it should he beat him when he step out the line, so him soft.
me no know them personal thing, but from
No,
talking
what
to
you get
her,
from him? Like, what kind of vibe you get from him? In
what
the
me get
soft?
from him just, he have a little creepy way to him.
What?
Yeah, like him we threaten you. Him just seem like a deceiver to me. Talking to him, me a looking at him pubicles and I'm yeah, and him just not seem him seem like the type of man way you fuck and duck.
Same
My
way, you feel
God.
like tie him up on the bed and cut him penis head with a razor or
I
something.
want this man.
I put them something there. Never hear them something there. We used to them something there.
No worry on the head.
Diary, you gone too far now, Diary.
No, the man, but she don't take ish.
Yeah, but as my say, she sound like a lovely lady. More she find one, she just a try get in tune with her God and with herself as well with the do and thing. And that man is just a weirdo though. Like, brother, you expect me for one be with you after you done like what were you trying to do? Impress me by using your mouth and defeating and degrading an ex-woman. Me not play them game there, brother. I don't feel like say because people sell fuck them jump in a relationship with anybody. Me not play them game there, brother. Me not play them game there.
Mm-hmm.
I say you can't
Mm-hmm.
mix business with pleasure. Can him come support the business and you gonna meet up again.
So
Me I tell you something, you know, a 50 grade the money move she a do.
On
Me no know
a
about the
stay
fashion.
there, you have some rich man out there will like them things there. As some no one found a really date
we ain't talk
rich
about
man.
razor and cut penis
Yes,
and
some men, if you are a big, some men them like certain little things that stimulate them. You never know.
Mm.
and as me say, me do it publicly, coming on a lied over here. Mamzelle, although you tell me say it's all good, you happy say everything talk. I'm sorry for kind of mention your name a little bit because you seem like you was not them type, yeah. But
Yeah.
you just want, you see me I say clear the ear a little bit,
So
sir.
what prompted you to mention her name? Did you
Sorry
hear
for
that he
clear.
was calling
Because
her
the
name?
man know the man come and I type up.
Where?
The man did
Where?
last night.
By my life?
Yes.
I'm gonna sleep. Shit.
Just sleep too much.
So no, so diarrhea, you're alive, a keeper, you asleep.
She did
Yeah, me
your jaw
always
snore, the whole of we hear
asleep.
her a snore.
Always asleep.
So yeah, me did hold on. Mm.
If me a
Go
snore,
on, yeah, sir.
I'm gonna take down the light if me that snore. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, did you kill
My
snow, mama? Yes,
God.
snore.
I'm tired,
Huh?
man.
Me not snoring now. I'm going to tired.
Yeah, normally I don't snore because enough time I drop asleep and but since when I snore, I got to come off.
But as me say, me tell her, say, my sorry for you see me I see her name and me give flowers to who flowers due to and everybody in a bagga. So my bad. Sorry.
I just archive it.
You see me I say sorry about that, mama. Sorry for put your name in any little thing. You see me I say?
Oh, God.
A big woman and right is right and wrong is wrong.
Why may I tell you, we mix up with some man sometime, Jaja.
Let's see if I have no clothes to my birthday. Oh well. Anywhere I reach, maybe just buy
Go near
clothes.
my ice cream and go sit down in a movie.
Not to the man of me. He might take me out. Just me I carry me somewhere.
So when
If you
you
chill
not get
there or
married,
something.
you over here fasting a lady life. When you get married,
Honestly, baby girl, there's something there I would never disclose to the internet for many reasons.
so you married
These people
already.
out, no, I'm not. But these people out here, you can never let them know your business.
Mm. Well, me I get married soon and me I have a baby soon.
Once you're pregnant,
Not yet.
Okay.
Marriage and baby, whop one time. Watch.
Right. So at least set
Munchie,
for
where
that.
your brown man there?
You
In
know.
there, jail.
Oh, him there, jail?
Mm.
Oh, and when him a come out?
You know.
I don't know yet.
Oh, him nice. Now what a boy sweet, man. How him
You
doing down
know.
at jail?
Him
Him nice.
nice.
Me have to give flowers,
Him
stuff with
nice,
flowers. The boy lips sexy.
bad.
Him lips
Him nice.
them
You want
long.
some tick? No, him want some tick? No.
Where say jail food make him right.
Man, I got drum soup, man. I potato.
Here, gifted, but him lip
Him lip
sexy.
Him sexy for sure.
sexy, him body nice, him eyes them pretty, everything nice about him.
Nice, true.
So
Nice.
no problem, I'm not easily insulted, when people are giving on no man or no people them compliment. I'm
Man,
too
nice,
easily
true.
insulted. I
Sexy
ain't
boy.
getting on no
May I
feelings.
may I type what we see one girl a pass and say the girl that nice your fuck.
Yeah, I
Me
mean,
I'll walk up to
compliment
man.
people.
I walk up to man with them wife. I say, is that your wife? I'ma say she bad. I would eat that ass.
Yeah,
But yeah, that's too much to get
And the
that.
man say, oh my God, you heard what she said? She eat ass. And the lady
But
say,
then you know
okay,
that
give me a number.
turns on a man to hear that next man wants his woman.
I
He want her even
mean,
more. It does. It does. It does. It does.
I go back mute.
I'm put my tongue in her ass one
Yeah,
time.
yeah, Jesus Christ. Him still come down along no, no long. That one not gonna be long.
I'm not say Queen of the South. Oh, Queen of the South. Long time I not say Queen of the South.
I'm gushing.
Mm.
But I'm glad that started gifted.
But she's such a lovely lady, though. Man, not tell no lie. She's a lovely lady, you know. Lovely, lovely lady. By listening to her, yeah.
Berry, oh
The
yes,
man I
so
try
quiet,
to
berry. Strawberry. Come here, strawberry.
Probably.
strawberry gonna sleep.
Yeah. No, I ain't up on the road.
Oh. She sound like you,
Strawberry.
Diary. Candy, she sound like you.
Candy or
What?
dairy.
Oh, really? That means you sound sweet.
Yeah, like a voice. So you read wrongfully,
Me not
woman.
read wrong. Me know exactly what me read. I mean, know
Yeah,
exactly what me
yeah,
read.
like a spiritual reading
Nah,
wasn't
man,
wrong.
that
It's a
woman,
nice
the
Oh,
rough
lady with in
man.
tune
oh
with
you
her
see
And
God.
her,
it,
you
yeah,
know,
so
she
she a
rough.
go. Oh, yeah, she a find her God. They can't see the woman a find her peace.
Yeah, she
But
a
they can't
fine
see
her.
she a rough.
That the woman there nobody fee. Lord God, area. You could have wake me up when me. You know, say you me and you make skittles and then my head got turned
Christy
back way up on the pillow
tell
them.
her say I be a snore. She snore last night. I hear the big snoring them on the live.
Eh?
Jesus Christ.
Sorry, then
I
catch
mean, I
you.
normally snore in a car almost every night. I try to sleep on the life and nobody hear
No,
me.
but I delete the live because we had a nice conversation last night. It was
Me
so nice.
delete it a while
But you
ago.
delete it for woman.
I don't know if I should have like a flu or something why I snore. I can't breathe. I don't know. But no, that's crazy.
Last night was a nice conversation. I saw the night need for end with a nice positivity.
Yeah. I need to start eating to be orange but class. Feel like me I get cold too easy. I wonder if I old me I get old.
How old I get old? It's 6 boy leg.
What is this boiled I gotta do dog
Bring
gifted.
up your immune system.
Mm. I know man.
Boy, that's why I know say this world Florida is a small place, cause with the type of job we me do, me have to encounter with people who think no that never meet their husband and never meet their son and never meet their brother. For all
Why?
out there in the Instagram world, for no find gifted picture now no husband phone, do not kill me, yo. Don't kill me, yo. Munchie.
Oi,
Look like you gain weight, so.
look at your food.
How you eat over there?
All kind of
Your
sitting.
leg get thick. Come here, look for your picture. And I say, so Munchie so big.
I take my content to me, no want to look a world as well.
Look like life nice. Just a
Everybody have
bigger
them trials,
girl.
you know, but me just like, what? You see me? All right then. Me now make nothing bother me used to bother me. My mind clear. You see things that used to bother me no more. So me just clear and it's in my own zone. And a part of it a comfort eating too.
Mm-hmm. I want rum cake. I want to go order spend $80 make one woman bake one rum cake for me. Bake one whole cake for me. Anybody in a Florida know for bake?
So I work for my belly, coming no way to go with the crazy self.
Alright, I get big.
Yeah, with outside herself. To me now mind come I'm a breed, I'm definitely doing a life, but I'm not even not if not but in crazy.
Hey, gifted. I feel
Mm.
like you're like Munchie so.
I like her, man, a long time. I like
I
her.
don't know if she like me, she the far, me the far.
Can reach her England, you know me
Yeah,
about
yeah,
8
yeah.
family live up England.
You right here, you have 8 family over here.
Can reach her
Yeah, damn
England
right.
quick, man.
Yeah, damn right. Thanks,
I'm moving on. How would you call me now?
No, that real kind of
Understand.
ringtone that fling that way. Blood clot this. Don't do that again, diary.
No, sir.
What kind of ringtone that, Berry?
Yeah, that girl.
Oh, diary come like to be the first one.
Gifted a get well, girl.
Me say, prayers work. I'm afraid the woman sumo wrestle me, you know.
Hey, you been doing
Yeah.
afraid of pussy one, yo? She talk
No,
that,
come
Berry.
tell me, I look for the woman picture, me I look on it and I say, hold on. She really
Berry,
look like a sumo wrestler picture.
Berry, you talk it there. That's why she blood clot come and I want woman vice here. Woman I go bad up her blood clot.
The
Talk
woman look
there.
like somebody will come to your bathroom window.
She not
Mm-hmm.
gonna come, just take 2 steps and lift you up by your neck.
Maybe me did have to go eat her front for buy out the argument.
Oh, but please. Oh my god.
All right, crosses TV, not no over here. You can take flight now. No gossip, no over here. Go
You're just a
find
trouble. You're just
Texema.
a trouble cross the CV. So as a crab across the TV, I can post your ass.
Me, I don't want no starlight, my good. Me a shadow. Me is a shadow.
Mama, also thanks for behaving yourself, gifted.
Oh, me have to behave more. No one no smoking on me, just want to do my job.
So you get the next chance to continue your job.
Exactly. See,
You
I
gonna sell
get
it.
to live the next day.
So you
Yeah,
gonna sell
man.
it. So you gonna sell it more front.
Man, I just block him just now, the man weird. Me no know how you feel you try impress a woman. You want back a woman and you try like me not understand them man here.
Is
Them
it
man
like
you weird.
what I use you for hurt her?
Yes, that is it, mama. You want the lady, but you want hurt the lady. Like you're weird. You're fucking weird, bro. You're weird. Not take him back, lady. Don't take him back. Come make
Therefore, take a
gifted
wash
play
off
with the tun
gifted.
tun for you.
Stop, gifted.
Therefore, take a wash off in crosses out for your girl. If you
Sound
go
like
wash
a
off with
nice.
lime.
I wonder if she like girls. Mama find out if she like girls.
She
Cause
don't.
You
She says she don't.
she not like girls.
No,
Mm-mm.
look at
no.
woman. Look at woman shirt.
You know,
No.
gifted as the gifted are demons.
No, more one nice big woman, man. Woman in her
Sleep with her
40s.
ex man, I know you want to do woman. If you want to sodomite, you can get a touch of the wife.
Nothing wrong. We treat her better. Cook for her
Yeah, go
3 meals a day, bathe her, shave her. You know what I'm saying?
A bit, a bit.
Treat a woman nice, open door, pull out, cheer, all them nice things.
So you bisexual.
Yeah, I'm a bisexual.
Blood clots. That's why Mumma said the world small, the circle. And they're everywhere. No, so, yam front.
Yes, Clark Capone, spell the word properly.
No, so. And with Derek, I know Derek on time out.
Diary,
She have put in your file in the computer, give her time.
me,
Because I have to update the system.
I do with diary.
Cause, cause we don't have we should like one body.
You wouldn't want me. Why you wouldn't want me, MB? I want me to know. My front too busy. My tongue not
Yeah.
busy, my front busy, but my tongue not busy. They on vacation, 3 years vacation.
How long your tongue is?
Very long.
Blood clot.
And my tongue not get tired. My might all and my back get tired, but my tongue not tired.
Yeah, big man.
35. Diary
Oh.
add back MB.
Yeah, young girl. Yeah, go on with yourself though. So your tongue can stretch go far
Me
places.
have to go slide in at the big woman DM. She sound like a nice lady, all she
But
need
never
is
look
just
the woman and bring the sodomites into the woman media because the woman is not like that. Respect yourself. Everybody needs
and
to
stop
bring
talk
out in on
to the woman. I wanna know what the woman is.
the woman is that Christian man says she try to change her life and give it to God. The woman up on the right path, leave the woman. Don't go the woman with the sodomite is
Yeah,
that
she a
disturb the
give her
woman.
soul to God. That not
Them
make
not
sense.
go there, leave
All
the woman and she go up on the right
right,
path.
all right, Derry, all right,
Somebody
all
in a year
right,
path.
Derry. You're miserable.
I'm not miserable truth, my love.
It was a very nice lady. She spoke with intelligence and understanding and very nice lady. Wish me could have said more of that about the rest of one upon this gram, but
You have nice people, she's very
mm,
nice.
mm,
You find a nice girl too like that way, you know. We did it for you and everything. I know you and them can be like sister.
yeah,
You
true, true.
have to just go and rest your front of your mouth and just believe and give time and prepare for it and change certain things and do the right thing and so the right woman will come across or the right man.
True, man. Me I go on
Yeah.
fast. I
Yeah.
make God send me whoever I want send me the right person.
Come off of the street and go on fast, but I sell nothing.
True, true, man.
Try to if in the street, my love, but the street no nice at all. Grass is Stevie a laugh, she love no back across the street. Yeah, back her blood clots,
See, I don't know what up and across the team every time you have to look up, you have to go black you.
Diary come add MB make MB have going for something for arts in the Congress. Cause you can't jump asleep now, Diary in the year. So we
Hey,
like
Mr.
Diary
She
not see what
love sleep. She love sleep, gone to bed.
must be pregnant.
Oh, God.
Oh she in a blood clot when run asleep and
no, really and truly gifted. You're not afraid of it's over there so where there and one heap of demon over there, you're not afraid.
Overway.
Over Florida this so
Me know, man.
you're not
Lady,
afraid of demon fuck you.
boy, they fuck me every night.
Jesus
I'm
Don't get your
tired
Christ.
for
blood
fuck.
clot auntie there. Your auntie, you try careful, you're not gonna fuck one of them Asian man and do one bull for some
That
people.
I want somebody can climb on top of me, mama.
Yeah, But them have generation where you probably don't know some of Asian and them have Asian na them. Careful. My spirit does
Next
tell me
thing you
to
know, me
tell
go
you
fuck them on
careful.
Congo worm
You
start
try my spirit does tell me to tell her careful. Me not even joke gifted, careful. I used to because you talk so open and freely about it. Yeah, you have to careful gifted. Cause you probably gonna fuck with somebody because say you come out and come talk and laugh about it and them not take it so and fuck you up.
Yeah,
Not true.
anything is possible
Careful.
for
But
man.
know what my spirit have to tell her say that they very
Not true.
careful.
Not true. Not true.
Careful.
True,
Careful.
True.
yes, talk for true.
Careful. Careful in Jesus' name. Plead the
This
blood
is
of
just a
Jesus
lesson,
over
and
you.
everybody's yes,
Careful.
yeah, but it could be
Yeah,
worse, you know.
careful.
You can just ball out your address and say, you know what could happen. So
Careful.
it's just
Sorry. Hey, me say me would even
lesson.
look for one man over this, so
On my door.
me, hey, me don't know them give me man say no, but me not life. Me feel
Oh,
like me not happy in a relationship.
just
Me I
got them.
walk and go
Gonna
about
go get a
business. You see
box
me,
now.
see me bury me picky with my fuck
The
them.
three.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and everybody forget your spirit, you know, and your soul. Cause me have put it, sexual intercourse is something deep, you know, my love.
Not true.
So that's why me couldn't, me not bash about everybody them want to do and whatever, but me couldn't because me just deep in them,
You're
they
different.
get me. If I fuck some boy, you just are depressed.
Yep.
Oh, think I joke.
Yep. His spirit of sadness just hold on
Me not
by
even try
you.
this nobody, but me fuck and me there with man and me there with them. It's like me feel like I can't even fuck. Me there with the next man, me have to come like spring chicken.
Yeah.
Me go out for neck